Trying to interview the geese.
Oh, it's gonna be fun.
Yeah, watch us fall through.
Well, if we go through, we're right on the main road.
There's an open hole.
Oh, people are here this morning. Imagine if you went through and you're like, there's only
Ugh. It'd really stink if my mic just like fell in the water. That'd be funny. I don't know why this is like looking weird in the water. Take off some. Yeah, that looks a little better. Oh. There we go. Oh. Oh.
You can't horse them, man. You gotta fight them. What was it, trout?
It looked. I think it looked like a big brook trout.
It was a trout. How big was it? It was a trout, though.
It was a nice trout.
I don't know if it was a brookie kind of rainbow.
I don't know if my drag was set too loose or what.
You don't want it too tight.
Oh, that's heartbreaking. That is heartbreaking. I saw something move and I wasn't sure what it was. Shoot.
Could have been a salmon. Could have been a salmon.
That's true.
Very well could have been a salmon.
Oh, again. Oh, it's a golden right here.
Is it?
Get away from me.
Oh, I see him.
Come back. Come back.
It was a golden?
Yeah, it's right there. The one that I lost wasn't a golden though. Oh gosh, I think I see him. Am I seeing things? Is that a fish? Here. You just clip it to your vest or something. Yeah, like you want it to like stuck though, because you don't.
Looks like a cotton ball. Alright, yeah, it should be good. Huh?
Yum, yum.
Oh.
Yeah, set up at a flag. It would be cool setting up at Washburn or something too.
Yeah. Or a flag where you got that.
Yeah, yeah. Just set it up and leave it at a flag for a while.
Usually, I thought every time I've gone, you got like 2 or 3 hot holes.
Oh yeah, it usually is like that. What it is because you're covering. He said he had to go pee. He probably could have just walked over there, but
Here comes Forrest.
he probably could have just walked across the ice. But I was gonna tell him to go. Actually, I was honestly gonna tell him to go. He did the right thing, really.
Yeah.
You never know.
That looks a little thick.
Yeah, over there looks might be a little soft over there, especially like where the tree is.
Yeah, they just sent that tree.
Yeah, the first time me and Brandon came, that tree was holes, and then the second when we came back, somebody must have brought a chainsaw out and cut it all up. Hey, you don't have to like fish it super deep either, you know. Like if you don't fish too deep, you
No,
can.
I can kind of see it.
No, you almost kind of want to see it, yeah. You don't want to be like right in the hole, like right at the bottom of the hole, but you want to be like probably like a foot, like under, like to where you can see it, kind of.
I like being able to see it dance.
Yeah. No, yeah, because you'll eventually see one come flying by it or something, or you'll just see him eat it. A little slippery.
Well, this still looks familiar.
Yeah, I stole your hole for a minute. I'm gonna have it back. I'll get out of here. I just came back over. I just wanted to try it. Because you had one and then you seen the golden, so I was like, let me see if I can maneuver something. You're not cold?
My hands are a little. I'm alright.
Your head's not cold? Okay.
I got a hat on.
I mean, I'm not cold either, but.
No, this is nothing compared to last time. I don't even care. Like if it's, I don't know what it was.
Oh, last time here? Oh, no, that was brutal.
I've never been in these long johns like cold.
Here. I'm good. I was just.
If you guys want to know what I'm using, just using I think like 6 pound fluoro. I don't know. And then I think VMC, little mini jig, and then power bait, little pink worm. Catch a lot of trout on these, and other stuff too. I've actually caught pretty decent bass, literally on a little power worm during the spring. It's kind of cool. They definitely seem to work here. I've already gotten one hit, one look.
It made perfect sense why that was coming on video.
Give me another chance. Come on.
Duh. Oh, stop. I was like, damn, we might not get 3 holes at this.
At first I was like, oh boy. Well, we're all gonna just jig in the same hole. Oh really?
Golden. It's a golden. Nice golden.
Oh shoot.
It's actually a golden. Stay hooked.
Is it a good golden?
Yeah, it's actually a pretty good one.
Oh, God.
Just giving you a little fight.
Yeah, that's what you gotta do. You can't horse them. You gotta, like, play them out. Oh, God. Come on, bro. Get your head in the hole. Oh. Get your head in the hole, bro. Oh, boy. Oh, my God. Just rolling and rolling and rolling. He's gonna come off. He's gonna come off. Oh, come on.
That thing.
Dude.
Oh.
Got him. Oh, nice fish.
No.
No. Let me interview him.
Someone take a picture, Dylan. Come here.
Let me interview.
Take a picture. Take a
How
picture.
you feeling right now, Mr. Fish? Yeah, you don't like it.
Hurry, hurry. There's a female too. Look.
Oh, yeah.
It's a
Oh.
female egg.
Shoot.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
All right, I need mine.
Alright, now we got some bait.
I'm done.
Away.
I didn't feel. I was like talking and talking. All of a sudden, I felt like my line get tight. I was like, oh.
That's a cool picture. You get it?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, guys, yeah. I just wanted someone else to catch something.
There's no fish.
No fish. Stay here. You had one. You blew it, pal. You got a couple.
I don't know why my drag was literally falling off.
That your drag was messed up.
What?
That was Danny's fault.
Yeah.
You just blame
No,
it on
it's never my fault. No matter what mistake I make, I don't take accountability.
That's on the Orlando side.
Atlantic side or Atlantic side? Yeah.
Orlando. What'd you say? Orlando?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Sebastian Inlet. I used to go there when I was a kid, like young. I used to go down there and pick them up.
But look up Crystal River. It's like literally.
No, I know. I've heard of Crystal River. Yeah.
I mean, it looks like the
I'm
closest
excited
place.
to see where the spot is in April because it seems right in the freaking
April's.
honeypole.
Yeah, no, yeah, April. No, that's gonna be a saltwater like thing. All
I think when you
puppies.
go down there, like,
We're pretty.
yeah.
No, I know like my animals there.
Yeah,
like
I
I know.
You start seeing bubbles and stuff.
Yeah.
It's not a snapper turtle, it's a gator. Like here we see bubbles, it's a snapper turtle,
Yeah.
but like it's down there, it's different. And like
No.
that gator that Fitzy said to us, that big
Yeah.
one, dude, that thing gets a hold of you, you're in trouble, bro. Like if that thing drags you in the water, you're gonna be.
The thing
is like he's not gonna just he's not gonna kill you or rip you apart. He's gonna drown you. That's the problem.
And then
like,
eat you.
And then he will.
the thing is, alligators, they're not like as aggressive as people think. Like no, because
they've come a long ways. They understand what things are.
yeah, but they're not gonna like.
What about the tortoise you caught?
The tortoise was sick.
He
I
caught
love
a huge
tortoise.
tortoise. In the
Really?
wild.
Go
Yeah,
for tortoise.
The West Coast is cool. Right off the street.
Got
He's like,
it.
I pulled right over.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, what was I gonna say? Yeah, crocodiles are bad
No,
because
crocodiles
will hunt you.
Well, yeah, they will stalk you.
But
They
alligators
stalk
on very
you. Yeah, well, gators will stalk. A big gator will stalk you too. Like small gator.
Rarely.
Like a small gator, like 4 to 5. Like you're probably gonna live. He might bite you, but you're probably gonna live.
You saw the picture of me with the iguana too, the first deer down there.
Oh yeah.
I didn't really like. I don't know.
You know what you're gonna do? You see iguanas, you just use a fishing pole, put a carrot, put some lettuce or something, cast it.
I don't know. No, I don't want to catch them like in the mouth.
You don't have to you don't have to use a hook. I'm saying you don't have to use a hook. I'm just saying like to mess around and put a carrot out, like tie a carrot on the line.